Find the quadratic equation with roots -2 and 5. Now we could work backwards to get the quadratic equation, but if we take the roots of the form of alpha is equal to -2 and beta is equal to 5, we get that the sum of the roots, alpha plus beta, will be -2 plus 5, which gives 3, and we get the product of the roots is alpha beta, which is going to be -2 times 5, which is -10. Now we know that this 3 means that minus b over a is 3, and that c over a is -10. Therefore, letting a equal to 1, and obviously from this, if a is 1, you can let a be other values, but you just get fractional things for your quadratic, so it's probably best to let a be the same as the denominator here. So it's 1 in both cases. So let a, that means that b will be equal to -3 and c is -10. Then if we compare that, the required quadratic, with the general format of a quadratic, which is az squared plus bz plus c is equal to 0, then we're going to have that 1z squared, which we just write as z squared, minus 3z. You just need to be careful with the minus sign on this one, and -10 is equal to 0. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to form a quadratic equation using the sum and the product of the roots. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.